Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do the monthly setup for April 2023 for my work planner. These are printable inserts available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. This is the April, which has been available for a while now. So you get the title page, 2 pages of dot grid, you get the monthly calendar. Then the weeklies, they come in vertical and horizontal. I used horizontal for the first quarter, and now I'm switching over to vertical for the second quarter. So you get all the weeks. Then depending on how many weeks are in the month, you may get another set of dot grid pages in the back, and then the end title page. So today I'm going to be working on the title page and probably the monthly. I'm going to use this blue and yellow washi for this spread, but I don't know if I want to do the yellow or the blue. I think I'm going to do the blue, and I'll have to repunch this, and I hope it doesn't make a mess when I repunch. I did already draw some lines so that I could get this straight, since there's no guide on this page. There's no grid or anything like that in the background. And I know that the stardust is upside down, but I'm doing that on purpose because then this one will be right side up. Hopefully that's good and straight. Then I'm going to go ahead and repunch this page. This is an arc punch from Staples, the heavy duty version. Now let's get busy. Okay, so I was looking at these corner florals, and I kind of like them because they seem to match the kit from Let's Get Planned. That I mentioned that I'm using the Yellow Spring Blues kit from Let's Get Planned. I don't usually go over the punches, but hopefully it's gonna let me get the look that I want. Then I wanted to use, I think that's all that I'm going to do from CHELA Plan for now. Then I wanted to use this one. I love this one with the little cottage. I think it's really cute. Okay. All right, I don't really want to have to cut this off, but I'm going to cut off the offset. Okay, so there's that. Let's use some of the butterflies. Let's see what I have in here for April. Let's do April showers, even though there's no showers. Let's do this umbrella. All right, so I think I need to use florals. I'm gonna have to find some more florals from CHELA Plan. So let's go ahead and use some of these. I guess my little flow of how I wanted things to flow is not going to work because I don't really have enough stickers to make that work. Let's do this. Let's see, a little blue here. And then I think that's going to be it for the cover page. I like that. Okay, so let's move on to the monthly, and I have no idea what I want to do for that. Do I want to continue over with the blue theme, the blue and yellow? I'm not sure. But these are the monthly pages for April. I'm going to be using the stickers that I made. So this April, these monthly script stickers are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, depending on the level that you are as a patron. And I'm going to use that over here in the sidebar, like I have been doing. So a little white out, and then put down my April sticker. I really don't want to use those same stickers again. Let's get out the holidays, and while I think about what I want to do. So we got April Fool's Day, which is the 1st. That's on a Saturday. That should be interesting. Palm Sunday is the 2nd. Passover is the 5th. I got Passover and Good Friday backwards, I think. Let me make sure. Passover 2023. Okay, yeah, that's right. And then Good Friday is that Friday. And Easter Sunday is the 9th. All right, so I have pulled out some Let's Get Planned stickers that are not part of the yellow and blue kit. So I use yellow and blue here, but I'm using these. These are from this year, the bunny trails. These are just some dolls, more bunny trails. And then these are the Easter stickers from last year that I love so much that I saved some of them. So I am going to use these. I'm going to start with some of the florals. And again, this is Let's Get Planned. I will link to them in the description box below. Let's do this. I really wish I had more of those florals left, but I don't. So let's make do with what we have. Gonna use the little eggs. Let's use the doll. And this egg over here. So this sheet is done. This can go to the side. I didn't do anything with the bunnies. Yikes. On bikes. I think they're a little bit too big for this. Yeah. So I won't be able to use the bunnies this time. I think we got enough going on with the florals. Let's use the butterflies. Let's use these florals. How can I make that work? Guess I can go this way with it. All right, so let's see what I have here that I can use for April. Let's use a couple of the eggs for Easter. And then gotta use an umbrella. And I think that may be it. We already did April showers there, so we're good. All right, let's go ahead and pop this in. Need to put this back and then go ahead and put April in. So this is the April title page that we just did. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded, a few floral stickers from CHELA. I also used deco stickers from Let's Get Planned. The April showers and umbrella are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, depending on the level. Then this is the monthly for April 2023. I used the Easter floral stickers from last year from Let's Get Planned. And the doll is from Let's Get Planned. The umbrella and all the holidays are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. And then let's go ahead and just pop the rest of the weeks in. I will definitely be back to do weekly layouts for April. But that is where we are for now. I think they turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.